ended up with these two lots that are floodplain from the city of Lee Summit. And today is the first day that it's been good weather and we've had time to come and lay out some berms to hold the water. Both of these lots have flooded significantly over the years. This one has been FEMA mapped, and so there's real tight restrictions on what we're allowed to do and not do, but we can garden. We can plant trees and bushes and native plants. So if you look behind me, we've used a transit borrowed from a friend to figure out the levels, and our efforts are we are going to create berms along the places where the pink flags are, the contour, and hold the water. Then there will be little dips, swales behind the berms or uphill from the berms, and so that's what we're doing.
So the rain's going to rain down, it's going to wash into this ditch and build up, and then the swale's going to hold it in place so it can sit here and soak in slowly, and that way we keep more of the rainfall on the site, which hydrates the soil, feeds the plants, feeds the microbes, and then they more quickly can convert this soil into something that'll hold more and more moisture. And over the years, the whole area will be more productive more quickly because we put in these original berms and swales. Water is the most essential nutrient to any farm or garden, so we're going to try and keep as much of it on the site as possible. And when we do this, we also keep it from rushing down into this creek and blowing out the neighborhood here and flooding everything. If everybody had some sort of water control like this on their property, we would have a lot less floodwaters. So what I'm going to do next, now I've just marked the lines with this machine. We just made a slight ditch. Now I'm going to run the uphill side of that ditch one more time and widen the swale, blow some more soil onto that, and then I'll go around a third time and actually just run the depth of that to make it a little deeper and to shape the swale up like this. And we're going to leave it sitting there. We're not going to pack it down or anything like that. And when we come in to plant our trees and bushes and stuff, we'll plant them right on that swale. So every time they get a rainfall, all that moisture is going to be held there as long as possible for them to use, but they're not going to get waterlogged because they're kind of lifted up away from it. So that's the basic idea.